Hello everybody, this is Neely from Pixel Perfect Bloom. In this video I'm going to show you how to import your finished sticker design that you made with my Canva template. First I'm going to show you my settings again, because we are going to print and cut. There's a few settings that you have to change. So firstly, your media size have to be A4. Then when you scroll down, you're going to select your print border and you're going to select your cut border. Then we are going to the registration marks. We're going to add them, and then I only change the thickness and the inset. If you only have a black and white sticker, there is no need to add the print bleed, but if you have a color sticker you have to add your print bleed. I usually change it to 1 millimeter. And now we are ready to import our first sticker sheet. So I'm going to File, Merge. This is the 3 centimeter by 1.1 centimeters. You will see every sticker have a red line around it. That means when you send it to your cutter, the outlines are already there. This one, we're going to change the dimensions. Gonna go here, click on that one. I'm going to change it to 176. Important, you have to click on apply. Okay, now I'm going to center it, horizontal, vertical, and now my sticker is ready to send to your cutter. Mine is not on now, but there you can see where it will cut. If we import the 5 centimeters by 1.5, this one is gonna change it to 173. Apply. Gonna center it, and there my stickers is ready to send them to the cutter. In the next video I'm going to show you some tips on how to get the correct cut settings. See you in the next one.